In this video, we're going to be working on equations. So if we have a problem like this that says find the missing number to make the equation true, and we have a blank box here, plus 110 equals 270 plus 138. So the first thing to do is let's call this box a variable r, right? R is just any number. So we would just rewrite it with the variable. The next step is to add these together first, okay? So we add these ones together and we can rewrite the equation r plus 110 equals 408. So when we add these two, the answer is 408. Then we use the inverse property to isolate r. So the inverse property is whatever you do to this side of the equation, you have to do to this side of the equation. So to isolate r, we have to subtract 110, right? We want to try to get rid of this number. So what we do is subtract 110. So then r will be by itself. And whatever we do to this side of the equation, we do to this side of the equation. So it'll be 408 minus 110. So r equals 298. And that's the answer. Final step is check your answer. So we put in our 298 here. That's where the empty box was. And then plus 110 equals 270 plus 138 equals 270 plus 138. So when you add these two individually, you'll see that each one adds to 408. So we've done this problem correctly. Check. So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. There's nothing wrong with repetition. You're probably just one explanation away from understanding it. Rewind the video and watch it again. And if you need more help, in the description I have links to other videos of mine that are like this. And also you can download my ebook that has this exact problem in it, and you can follow along in the ebook. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video. Thanks.